Rose essential oil has many beneficial properties like antidepressant, antiphlogistic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, and antiviral. It's also used as an aphrodisiac, astringent, bactericidal, cholagogic, depurative, and an emmenagogue. There's two main types of rose that are valued in the cosmetic industry: Rosa damascena and Rosa centifolia. Essential oils from both of these have pronounced benefits for humans. However, the Damascus rose is the preferred variety because they're the most fragrant species. The rose essential oil is made up of hundreds of components. Rose oil helps to boost self-esteem, confidence, and mental strength, while efficiently fighting anxiety. These anxiolytic effects of the rose oil are confirmed by a 2004 study published in Pharmacology, Biochemistry and Behavior. A 2009 study conducted in Thailand suggests that rose oil has a relaxing effect on people with stress and depression. In the study, rose oil was topically applied to the subject, and they were given breathing masks to analyze the effects of the rose oil independently of any olfactory stimulation. Results showed a remarkable improvement in breathing rate, blood oxygen saturation, and systolic blood pressure. In fact, the subjects also confirmed that they felt calmer and relaxed. Research by two Iranian universities also suggests the rose oil can help in lowering the anxiety levels during delivering a baby. Rose essential oil can help to control skin texture and many keratinocyte differentiation-related skin diseases. Keratinocytes are the gatekeepers, and they keep the skin protected from heat, UV radiation, water loss, pathogenic bacteria, and parasites. Diseases like psoriasis and atopic dermatitis occur when there's a distribution differentiation in the keratinocyte. It makes the scars and aftermarks of boils, acne, and the pox on the skin fade quickly. This includes the fading of stretch marks, surgery scars, and fat cracks associated with pregnancy and delivery. Much of this is due to the antioxidant activity of the rose essential oil, which spurs on the healing process of the skin. Rose essential oil can calm down a patient with a high fever by sedating the inflammation. It can also be beneficial in other cases of inflammation caused by microbial infection and the ingestion of poisonous materials, as it has anti-nociceptive properties. Ancient Persian medicine used rose oil for treating wounds, as it has anti-infective properties. You can use the oil topically by diluting it with a carrier oil. Rose essential oil efficiently relieves spasms in the respiratory system and the intestines, as well as muscular spasms in various limbs. It also helps to treat convulsions, muscle pulls, cramps, and spasmodic cholera caused due to spasms. Getting protected from viruses can be a tough task, since some of them continue to mutate and trick the immune system. The solution to this could be to use an antiviral agent that behaves as a shield against any type of virus. Rose essential oil is one such shield, and studies have shown it protects against many types of infections. Everyone knows how indispensable roses are in the romantic department. The basic element is the essential oil in the flower. The scent of the rose can arouse you, and it can boost the libido while invoking romantic feelings, which are essential for a successful sex life. This can reduce symptoms of sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, frigidity, and general disinterest in sexual activity with partners. It's a good bactericide. It can be used in the treatment of typhoid, diarrhea, cholera, food poisoning, and other diseases that are caused by bacteria. Furthermore, it can treat internal bacterial infections, like those in the colon, stomach, intestines, and the urinary tract, as well as external infections on the skin, ears, eyes, and wounds. Rose essential oil purifies the blood by helping in the removal and the neutralization of toxins. Once your blood is purified and free of toxins, you're protected from boils, rashes, ulcers, and skin diseases, as well as serious conditions that free radicals can cause, like cancer and heart disease. Rose oil can help to relieve stomach discomfort. It's particularly effective for those who are suffering from obstructed and irregular menses. Massaging the rose oil mixed with a carrier oil can help to ease cramps, nausea and fatigue, while reducing the pain associated with menstruation and post-menopausal syndrome. This property of the essential oil of the rose can be very useful for people who are suffering from hemorrhaging, which is bleeding, both external or internal, after an injury or a surgery. It speeds up the clotting and the coagulation of blood, and it stops excessive bleeding. There can't be a better laxative with a better scent than the rose, which is an ironic benefit for a laxative. It can serve as a harmless and effective laxative with a beautiful smell causing no adverse side effects. It can also influence the intestinal and anal muscles to help clear the bowels. This can help in losing weight and prevent excessive toxicity in the body. It can regulate hormone production and it helps to balance them. It's one of the best oils to give a shining, fresh and youthful skin. The aroma keeps you charged and feeling happy. It can promote circulation. It takes care of the heart, reduces blood pressure, and helps to cure headaches, asthma, dehydration, and other infections. Rose essential oil is an expensive affair and is very potent. Hence, when you plan to use it, both topically or internally, make sure to dilute it. It blends well with coconut oil, jojoba, sweet almond, and argan oil. Some common uses are to put 5 to 7 drops in a bath, to put 4 to 5 drops in a foot soak, or for anxiety relief, diffuse the rose essential oil into the room. It can also be put diluted onto the wrists, the neck, or the chest. It can eliminate headaches if used in mild concentrations, but its strong aroma can do the opposite if used in too high a concentration. Being an emmenagogue, it should not be used during pregnancy, since there's no definite evidence on whether the effects of the rose essential oil can be transferred to the fetus. It could possibly cause a miscarriage if taken in excess, so care should be taken before use. For more on herbs, supplements and natural treatment plans, check out my website.